Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kids always like to talk. Excuse the way I look. I was just editing my morning cleaning routine. I completely forgot to do an intro and outro, and my mind's every other minute. So yeah, this is just I won't say everyday cleaning routine in the morning. It is every day, but not done by me. So I haven't got the best health condition, so physically my body struggles a lot. On this day I was having a particularly good day, and I've had my painkillers, so I managed to do some cleaning. But 9 out of 10 this routine is done by Jack, but he's not as comfortable being on camera at the minute, so I thought I would take a chance and record it when I could when I was feeling up to it. So yeah, keep on watching. So first things first, in the morning, once I've got up and got the boys their breakfast, I will, me or Jack will start on the cleaning routine. And the first thing to be done every morning is a wash that needs to go on, because 2 children, a husband and myself, we go through a ton of washing. And I don't stick to one brand, I just tend to get whatever's on offer. So yeah, I will stick it on a quick wash and then start to clean up the kitchen. Normally it's quite tidy. We like to get it quite tidy up before, but sometimes, you know, the dishes need to be put away and whatnot. So yeah, I will put the dishes away. And once the dishes are away, I will wash up any remaining dishes and just take out like the recycling and the food waste. Bane of our lives. And I've just got this really fancy, well, it isn't very fancy, it is to me, this cleaner, so you can like pour the liquid into it rather than having to put it on your sponge every time, and it's just been a lifesaver for me. Probably should have invested in it a long time ago, but yeah, I've only just got it. So yeah, I'll just carry on and clean up the dishes. And then once I start, normally I will dry them and put them away, and then every time I've washed up and I've cleaned the sink and it's nice and clean, I will go in with the Method stainless steel cleaner, just to make sure, you know, it's all nice and clean and sparkly. And then once that's done, I will go around the kitchen sides, just putting the random bits and bobs that are left out away, and also go around cleaning with my Method spray. I've got about 1 million of these, but I'm loving the pink grapefruit at the minute. And then I will just do a quick hoover. I'm going to hoover twice a day because, you know, we've got 2 dogs, we've got a family, and it gets very, very messy. So I will then go into the boys' room, and as you can see, they trashed it the night before. So I will put away all of their toys, make the beds, just make it a bit more presentable for them to come in and trash it again in 5 minutes. But yeah, like I said, I'll hoover daily, and then I'll mop like every other day. So today's the day I mop. And then again, I'll do the same in our bedroom and just put the pillows in the bed, make the bed, spray some air freshener, hoover and mop, and then that's about it. Normally the front room is quite tidy, but that normally just gets done as the day progresses. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!